Hey Paintball fans, it's a really hot and stormy day in Brisbane, so I'm really glad to be playing in the indoor paintball field at Spec Ops Paintball. This game that we're playing is Rescue Lieutenant Dan. We're tasked with rescuing him, but I've actually been tasked with a second mission to find an intel briefcase about the size of this briefcase that you can see on screen, and I can't engage in the rescue mission until I find that briefcase. The rest of the camo team is going to look for Lieutenant Dan, but Alex has teamed up with me, and he and I will be focusing on finding this briefcase before we can turn our focus onto finding Dan.
See where that grate is? See that grate is? Yeah, I'm going to run for that, and then I need you on my six, okay? When I get there, I want you to wait a minute, and then come right on my six, okay? Okay, don't get in my way, dude. Oh, it's going to get in my way. Fuck. He's getting in my way. Fuck. I knew he was going to do that. Yeah.
That's where they're firing straight through.
Gotcha. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I see him. It opens up that way. Oh, it opens up that way, man. So sit here. Be careful. It opens up that way. Okay. I got hit. I'll be right back. You good?
Yeah, so long way. So when that opened up, there's two people on the side. I don't know if they've moved yet. Then there's one straight ahead direct.
Okay. Alright, man. I think we go long way, we go down their spawn and down the guts, okay?
Right.
This way, Alex. Green! Okay, 1, 2. There's another one. Oh, sorry, dude, I didn't hear you. I'll take that. Sorry, man. Don't take that shot.
So just one bit of advice I've got for people. If you're going to surrender someone, just yell at them as loud as possible.
Alright, we've pushed down that far side. Your mate, who was right in that corner, he'll still be there.
Yeah.
So we've got to make sure we dig him out. Behind here?
Oh, what an epic fail. My team killed him. In my defense, I think they got shot by about 3 other people as well from my team. But that's no excuse. best reaction to being shot ever. Just got to watch that again. Oh my god, it makes me laugh every time.
Move up. Move to here. That's it, man. Nice. Yeah, behind the car. Yep.
So a bit of a spoiler here, that car you can see there, the briefcase is actually sitting in the driver's seat, but I'd become so focused that the briefcase would be down the very back room that I concentrated all my efforts in trying to get to this room, and during the course of the game basically ran past my primary objective, I don't know, 20, 30 times.
Nice, yeah. No blind firing though, man. Don't blind fire like that, okay?
Okay. I was peeking and then when you...
I know.
Shit, sorry.
You're right, dude. You're right. All good. Good shot though, man.
In that guy's defense, it wasn't totally a blind fire that he did. But this was one of the last games of the day, and I'd seen so many people blind firing by this point.
Alright. I got into the room. There was a guy in that room. Okay? So, we just got to keep the momentum up on them. I think we can actually take a shortcut that way now. Keep close to that wall, man. Where the door is, in the room, that's where the guy is, okay? What's that, man?
I'll help you get the suitcase if you want.
Where is it?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. I thought you said you saw it. All right, man. Now, please. Thank you. Ah, fuck. Reloading. There's two deep at 20 meters at 11 o'clock. Got him. Got one. That's it. Yep. That's it. There's one behind that pillar. Yep. I think they moved on. One behind that pillar you were shooting at, and the wall past the pillar. There's a guy behind that wall. Okay. There you go. Nice one. All right, bud. Let's move forward. Move forward. Move forward.
Reload.
All right. Covering. Are you in? You in? All right. Oh, fuck. Yeah. In the window.
That got me right in the mask, and I still don't know where that shot came from. But walking back to spawn, I was just so impressed to see how far the team had pushed up and how much forward and continuous momentum they were keeping on the opponents.
We are, mate, we are. Cole, can you see there is a guy about 15 metres directly at your 12 o'clock in a little window, 15 metres. Do you see him? This way, 12, you're 12. A little window, about this big.
So that whistle is single life. So you get a hit now, you're out for the rest of the game. It also means that we've got about 2 minutes of the game left. So I'm now starting to feel quite anxious because I haven't found the briefcase. So I know time is running out.
Where the fucking briefcase is. Alright, we'll be careful. Okay, there's two far right, far left, where the car is, not far from Dan, that way. Do you see? Past the car, where the window is, and the fence and the net is. Nice work, bud. Keep this spot. Keep it. Keep it.
More screams. Oh, let's crack up.
Where was he?
So that was final whistle.
Where was it? Fucking briefcase.
I'm frantically looking around. I cannot see it because it's not in the back room. It was placed in that car that I walked past a million times. So a good lesson in not letting assumptions sort of drive your battle plans, I guess. I really sort of had talked myself into, or convinced myself that the briefcase was in that back room, and organised my whole battle plan and strategy around that briefcase being in that back room. Basically, we lost that game. We didn't even succeed in the secondary and primary mission. So it was technically a complete fail. Great day of paintball, lots of laughs, and a great bunch of people.